Before you scroll away, I need to ask you something. Have you ever looked at your hair and you feel like no matter what you do, your hair just refuses to grow? Maybe your edges are thinning, your hair keeps breaking. You have spent money on products that promise everything and delivered nothing. Well, today I am sharing one of the most powerful leave-in spray I have ever made. And what shocked me is that one of the ingredients in this recipe is actually left out completely. And yet, it may be the ingredient that make this spray super powerful, effective, and grow your hair like never before. So stay with me because later in this video, I will reveal exactly how I use it and my trick for making this spray easy to wear as a leave-in treatment. Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Glory Kelechi, and on this channel we share natural hair care remedies, hair growth tips, DIY treatments, and simple routine that can help you care for your hair natural. So if that sounds like something you love, please subscribe and join our hair growth family. So now let's get into today's powerful spray. So for today's recipe, we are using 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of fresh ground ginger. So here is what made this combination interesting. Most people know about onion and many of you know about cloves. Some of you also use coffee, but very few people combine all 5 ingredients into one spray. That is why I wanted to take this recipe and share it with you. So now let's prepare this powerful recipe. First thing is to bring your first ingredient, the onion. After peeling off the skin of the onion, then you wash it, then keep it aside. The next ingredient is the garlic. Then also peel off the skin of the 4 cloves of the garlic. Then also wash it and keep it aside. So the third ingredient we bring to the table is the ginger. You can also peel the skin of the ginger, but me, I just removed the part that is not needed on the ginger. So after doing that, the next thing you will do now is to be your grater to grate all these ingredients. So the reason I grate these 3 powerful ingredients is I want all these 3 powerful ingredients to release their nutrients very well into the spray we are about to prepare, okay? So if you don't have grater, just use your knife to chop them very tiny. Make them to be very tiny in a way they can be easily to release all the nutrients, okay? So after grating all my 3 ingredients, then we'll keep it aside and move to the next step. So after grating these 3 powerful ingredients, do you see how beautiful they look? Please make sure you grate yours or you use knife to chop it very tiny. It play a huge role on how potent and how effective the treatment will come out, okay? So the next thing now is to bring a clean pot. Make sure your pot is super clean. Then transfer your 3 powerful ingredients into it. So the next thing is add 1 tablespoon of your cloves. If you have cloves powder, you can also make use of it. But if you have cloves ball, just use it, okay? Then the next thing now is your coffee. Add 1.5 tablespoon of your coffee or 1 full tablespoon of your coffee. You're good to go. Then the last thing you need to add now is water. Make sure the water you're using is very clean, and listen carefully. Do not add too much water to this unless you don't want it to be very potent. But if you are looking for very potent, very concentrated, and very powerful recipe, make sure you add less water, like 1 cup or half cup of water. You are good to go. You really need this to be very potent so that you can get that good result, okay? So after adding water, now the next thing is to bring it to a boil. Please do not boil this in a high heat. Make sure your heat is low heat, okay? Medium low heat, so that you will not kill all the nutrients of this ingredient, making this spray less potent and less powerful. So if the nutrients of these ingredients are no longer there, you are using nothing, you end up seeing no result in this particular recipe. Please, if you cannot control the heat, just go ahead and diffuse it for 12 hours, okay? But if you can control the heat, just go ahead and boil it in a low heat And secondly, do not boil this more than 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Once it has started boiling, please time up your time, just 10 to 15 minutes off your gas. Next secret thing I do again is to allow this to cool down for over 3 to 4 hours. In that way, it also give it more time to infuse more. All the ingredients will release their more nutrients into the spray, making that spray that super potent I am looking for. Because this spray I've been using it for a while now, and I have been growing my hair like crazy. So this is the technique method I use to get powerful results and make this my spray come out very, very amazing and give me that good result I am craving for. Okay, so after leaving it for 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours, sometimes I leave mine for overnight. So the next thing now is to bring my shifter and a bowl to strain out the water. Do you see how rich, how dark, how potent and how effective this spray look? This is all you need. You do not need to break the bank before you can grow your hair. So I just add a few drops of rosemary essential oil into the spray. Then this recipe is ready to be used. But if you don't have any essential oil, please just skip it, okay? You don't need to worry yourself. So now our recipe is ready to be used. But do not leave yet, because the next step is what most people got wrong. So keep on watching so that you can achieve that good result with this particular spray, okay? And now this is where it gets most interesting, the application time. How you apply this on your hair determine a whole lot. It will determine if you can get that result or not. So if you really want to use this particular spray to grow your hair, to see how it can help you on your hair growth journey, make sure you pay close attention and follow all the tips and the secret tip I will share with you right now, and you see the magic start happening, okay? This is where most people got it wrong. The secret tip that made people use any product and see zero results. Please, if you are not ready to follow the instruction I'm about to spill out right now, please skip this video, because this particular treatment have designed to help people to grow their hair, regrow their bald spots, thinning hair, hair fall, grow their hair thicker, longer, fuller, help them to see that thicker hair they desire and retain a lot of length in a twinkle of eye. So please, if you are not ready to solve that your hair problem, this video is not for you. This video is not for those that is not ready to care of their hair or not ready to follow instruction. So if you are one of them, please skip this video, because this video is for people that are serious to grow their hair and follow the simple instruction I'm about to give to them right now. And anyone that follow this instruction will definitely 100% guarantee results for this particular treatment. So number one thing you must do if you are ready to use this to grow your hair, to solve your hair problems and regrow your edges, thicken up your thinning hair and stop shedding and breakage, is to use this spray in session. After spraying this treatment on the session, next thing you must do not just spray this on your hair and leave it just like that. You must follow up the scalp massage. You must massage your scalp. When you massage your scalp, it helps a whole lot. It helps to stimulate blood circulation, and it also helps to distribute this product heavily and give you that good result you're grazing for. These are the number one secret and very important step you must follow if you are ready to use this to grow your hair. You must follow this step, okay? So the next thing again you must do is to focus on your problems area, your edges, your crown area, and any area you are feeling your hair needed extra attention. Please apply this particular treatment in that area and give that place a gentle scalp massage. Please do not soak your hair excessively with this product. This is not a rinser treatment. This is a leave-in treatment. So do not spray it heavily. Just spray it in a way that is very okay as a leave-in treatment, okay? So after a light spray of this, then the next thing now is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner, your oil and your hair butter. It's very, very important. Remember, this treatment made for leave-in treatment is not for rinser treatment. So for using it as a leave-in treatment, you need to follow up with your oil oil your scalp very well and massage it in. Then use your leave-in conditioner and your hair butter to seal in your hair strands so that this leave-in conditioner can sit on your hair and give you that good result you desire to achieve. Okay, just follow this simple step. I kid you not, you see that crazy result. So the next secret step you must do or you must know is to use this in the evening. Okay, so for me, I prefer using it in the evening as a part of my night routine because using it in the evening is more better than using it in the afternoon or in the morning. So for better results, use it in the evening. Okay, so now let's talk about the question I know many of you are already thinking about. What about the onion smell? Here is my simple trick. I add a few drops of essential oil earlier, or if you have peppermint essential oil or lavender essential oil, you can add it into the spray bottle. This can create a fresh scent and make the spray more enjoyable to use. But if you don't have any essential oil, you have rose water, go ahead and add a 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon of your rose water. It can also help to kill the smell. Okay, but if you don't have any of this, do not worry. Just after applying it on your hair, use a good leave-in conditioner that have a good scent. Use it. It also helps to kill the smell. And once this have dried off, you will never perceive any horrible smell. So for me, I will only advise you to use a product that give you good results than a product that smell very nice and you got zero results. Okay, if you are curious to grow your hair, if you are curious to take care of your hair, I believe that you don't need to bother about any smell. All your attention now should be what will help you to grow your hair, and this is the secret recipe I just share with you right now. So now I want to challenge you. Use this spray consistent for the next 7 days and take a picture of your hair before you start using it. Pay attention to your scalp feeling, how your hair behave, and whether your routine becomes easy to manage. Then come back and tell us about your experience. So guys, I want to know if you could solve one hair problem right now, and what should it be? Hair fall, slow growth, thinny edges, breakage? Tell me in the comment section below. Let's help each other and share tips. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you will never miss any of my powerful recipe. Okay, and share this video with your family and friends. Okay, for those that struggle with slow growth, shedding, thinning hair, and so many of them. Okay, so guys, we are come to end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.